Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. Is your computer running extremely slow, freezing up, or showing 100% disk and high CPU usage in the Task Manager? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to fix the high background resource usage and make your PC fast again. So let's get started. The single most common cause of high disk usage in Windows is the background process called SysMain. Let's disable it. Go to your Taskbar search and let's type services and open the services app. Click anywhere in the list and let's press the S key on your keyboard to jump down to the S section. Scroll down until you find SysMain. Once found, double click on it. First, let's click on the stop button to immediately stop the service. Then change the startup type drop-down menu from automatic to disable. Click apply, then OK. Open the Task Manager and you should notice a big drop in the disk usage right now. If you're still seeing spikes, let's move on to the next step. Now, another background service that is constantly reading your drive and consuming CPU cycles is the Windows Telemetry. While inside the Services window, let's press the C key on your keyboard and look for Connected User Experience and Telemetry. Double click on it and let's click on Stop to stop the background service and change the startup type to disable. Then click on Apply and OK. By stopping the service, it will stop Windows from constantly gathering and writing background diagnostic data to your drive in real time. Now, if your drive is still thrashing, the Windows search index might be stuck scanning corrupted background system files. Let's go to the Taskbar search and type indexing options and click on it. In the windows that open, click the advanced button at the bottom. Under the troubleshooting section, click on rebuild and then click OK to confirm. Now Windows will clear out the corrupted search cache and rebuild it cleanly in the background without high disk activity. And once you've completed these 3 steps, go ahead and restart your PC. Your disk usage should now be sitting at a clean 0% to 5% at idle. Let me know which solution worked for you in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.